Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best espresso machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have DeLonghi Espresso Machine. You can prepare creamy froth with ease, simple to clean and have to a removable 35-ounce water tank. And enjoy delicious espresso made your way with the DeLonghi Pump Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. You can choose to brew ground espresso or ESE pods with the unique patented dual filter holder. You can enjoy espresso or cappuccino at the perfect temperature with 2 separate thermostats. The advanced cappuccino system maintains the optimal temperature so you can brew cup after cup instantly. If you prefer cappuccino, you'll enjoy using the easy-to-use swivel jet frother, which makes perfect drinks every time. With a sleek profile, compact design and narrow footprint, each model fits beautifully on a kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. At number 6 we have Mr. Coffee Espresso Machine. With one simple touch, Mr. Coffee Café Barista Premium Espresso and Cappuccino System brews espresso and automatically froths milk for cappuccino and latte selections. You don't need barista to know how to create custom drinks like your favorite coffee house. You can simply pick a single or double shot filter and select your grounds, fill the milk reservoir, and choose your brew. The milk reservoir is removable to store leftover milk not used during the brew in the refrigerator, so you just fill it and let the cafe barista determine the amount needed. At number 5 we have DeLonghi Espresso Machine. Now you can incorporate delicious espresso drinks into your daily routine. Introducing Stilosa by DeLonghi. This elegantly designed machine allows you to easily craft authentic espressos, lattes and cappuccinos in the comfort of your own home. The 15-bar pump creates the optimal pressure to extract a single or double espresso according to espresso brewing standards. This ergonomically designed portafilter has 2 filters, for single or double espresso. This separate damper provides additional control of even and consistent pressure for a better extraction. The 2-level cup holder accommodates taller cups. The heart of Stilosa, the durable stainless steel boiler, is engineered to last long and work for years with consistent performance, unlike the competition. The manual milk frother mixes steam and milk to create a rich, creamy froth for evenly textured lattes and cappuccinos just the way you like them. At number 4 we have Nespresso Espresso Machine. With a sleek profile, compact design and narrow footprint, the EC155 fits beautifully on a kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. Virtuo Next makes both coffee and espresso in a variety of sizes, 5, 8, and 18 ounces coffees and single and double espresso. Each machine includes a complimentary starter set of Nespresso capsules. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen or countertop. It is made from 40% recycled plastic, without sacrificing style. At number 3 we have Philips Espresso Machine. You can easily make aromatic coffee varieties like espresso coffee, cappuccino and latte macchiato at the touch of a button. This latte go tops milk varieties with silky smooth froth is easy to set up and can be cleaned in as little as 15 seconds. You can enjoy your favorite coffees for your special moments. Whether you crave for an espresso, a coffee or a milk-based recipe, your fully automatic espresso machine delivers a perfect in-cup result with no hassle and in no time. This durable ceramic grinders can be adjusted in 12 steps so you can turn your beans into anything from ultra-fine powder to coarse grindings. At number 2 we have Brim Espresso Machine. This stable high-pressure Italian pump with gauge indicator and low-pressure pre-infusion for balanced extraction. The 1250-watt thermal coil system provides consistently hot espresso for your enjoyment. It featuring a powerful thermal coil system and commercial-style 360-degree swivel action dry steam 1 for cafe-quality texturized microfoam. This machine also includes a hot water dispenser and heated die-cast top plate to keep cups warm. At number 1 we have Philips Espresso Machine. This intuitive touch display makes it easy to select your favorite coffee and customize the strength, volume and temperature. You can enjoy the delicious taste and aroma of coffee from fresh beans. The classic milk frother allows you to create a silky smooth cappuccino or latte macchiato with ease. This grinders are 100% pure ceramic, extremely hard and precise, so you can enjoy fresh aromatic coffee, for at least 20.000 cups. This durable ceramic grinders can be adjusted in 12 steps, so you can turn your beans into anything from ultrafine powder to coarse grindings. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best espresso machines for your need.